Okay, today we're on lesson 31, page 208. Make sure you're on that page with me. If you need to pause the video, you can. So we're going to be adding mixed numbers. So when we add mixed numbers, we're going to look at B. So we have 1 3/4 plus 3 3/4. When we add the mixed number, we're going to first add in our wholes before we add in our fractions. So we're going to add 1 plus 3, which gives us 4. Now we can add in our fraction, so 3/4 and 3/4. And 3/4 plus 3/4 would be 6/4. Because 6/4 is improper, we're going to break it apart into a mixed number. So we're going to think, how many fourths go into 6? So 4/4 makes a whole. How much more gets us to 6? 2 more, so 2/4. So now we have 4 wholes plus our 1 whole, which equals 5 wholes and 2/4. 5 2/4 is our answer. Next, looking at the next one, we have 3 3/8 and 2 6/8. So 3 plus 2 is going to give us 5. And then we add 3/8 plus 6/8. 3 plus 6 gives us 9/8. Because 9/8 is improper, we're going to change it to a mixed number. So we would think, how many 8s go into 9? So we have 8 8s, and we would need 1 more to make 9. Now we take our 5 wholes plus our 1 whole, so 5 plus 1 is 6, and we have our fraction 1/8. So 6 1/8 would be our answer. Okay, we're going to add our wholes, so 1 plus 3, which equals 4. Now we add our fraction, 3/5 and 4/5. 3 plus 4 is 7/5. 7/5 is improper, so we break it apart into a mixed number. And we think, how many times does 5 go into 7? Well, we have 5/5 makes a whole, and then we would need 2 more fifths to make 7. So 4 wholes plus our 1 whole equals 5 wholes and 2/5. 5 and 2/5 is our answer. Okay, next we add our wholes, so 2 plus 3, which equals 5. We add our fractions, 6/8 plus 7/8, which gives us 13/8. 13/8 is improper, so we have to break it apart into a mixed number. So to do that, 8 goes into 13 how many times? We make 8 8s as a whole, and how much would be left? We'd have 5 8s left. So we add our 5 wholes plus our 1 whole, which gives us 6 wholes, and we have 5 8s. So 6 5/8 would be our answer. Now we add 3 plus 2, and that equals 5. We then add our fractions, 8/12 and 7/12, and 8 plus 7 gives us 15/12. Because our fraction's improper, we need to change it to a mixed number. So we think, how many times does 12 go into 15? We can have 12/12. And what is left over? We then get 3/12. We can add our 5 wholes plus our 1 whole, and that gives us 6 wholes and 3/12. 6 and 3/12 is our answer. Okay, now that we are finished, you're going to go to page 207. You're going to try problem 2. We're going to do problems A or B and C on your own. Once you have completed B and C on your own, then you're working on Zern, lesson 31. Make sure you're watching the video and doing your notebook, and if you don't get your Zern completed today, you need to be working on it at home tonight.